Serum 2 is crazy. So if you don't know what is Serum, it's probably the most important plugin in all of your music production. In my opinion, by the way, I don't care about other stuff. I use Serum and basically just got an update. If you have a Serum, you got a free update with additional tips. It's best. I don't know, Serum is just so good. It's like, I'm pretty sure this become industry standard, but yeah, today I'll explain to you how to use sound design, and we've got a Serum 2. Without further ado, let me show you the Serum 2 looking like. It's pretty cool skin here. Let me test a bit. Okay, works. So the first thing you need to know is oscillator. So now in Serum 2 we've got a 3 oscillator, but there are additional oscillator like a sub and noise too. Maybe noise not oscillator anyway, I don't know. So in each oscillators except sub can be replaced with things like wavetable, multi-sample, sample, granular and spectral, and they have voice or unison. You can tweak it. So here's the sound with the 1 unison, and here the sound with the 16 unison. Which is maximal number. So you've got the point, right? And there's a detune. So detune is more like to adjust the pitch density. You can hear the difference, right? The higher you adjust the detune, the more it comes out the main pitch. So apart from oscillator A, there is also oscillator B, and all of them here can be combined together like this. This is cool sound for filter bass, by the way. There is sub too, you know the sub bass, right? Like you can add a sub bass for your sound, but for me I don't add sub bass for my chord. Besides, I want it separate synth. And you can add a noise here to add more clarity maybe, I don't know. The important thing is that it sounds good after I'm adding it. Okay, let's add a filter. So the cool thing too in Serum 2, by the way, the 2 filters now, which is super fire. With the 2 filter, you can now mix like oscillator A with the filter 1 and oscillator B with the filter 2. Let's play with the envelope here. It's kinda like a filter or layer that helps shape the sound. In simple terms, the envelope controls how the sounds evolves over time, like how it starts, how it holds, and how it fades out. You can use it to make sounds more dynamic and interesting. Listen here, I'll tweak it the attack a little bit and you can see the difference, right? It took a time for start to sound. You can play the graphic like this, just play with it. And there's an LFO that I think it is same with the envelope, but here you can repeating the sounds and you can make the advanced graphic here, which is super useful. For example, you can drag them into let's say a volume oscillator A. Here you can play like this. Cool, right? Maybe that's all you need to know for basic. And the other thing is you can play around with it. Like there's more macros here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 8 modulation. Before in Serum 1 we got just 4. And there's mixer included in Serum 2, and now I'm gonna play with the presets here. I'm curious how it sounds like. Oof, what a bass sound. Nice. Yeah, it's good, pretty good. Yeah, nice, nice. These are good presets. I'm liking all of them. Next. Maybe I'm gonna make a beat, but I've suddenly got a bad mood attack. Yeah, I'm gonna make a beat. It's really good. Guess how much I say really good. But still like it's laggy as Serum one, maybe even laggier, I don't know. Why do I blame Serum for my potato computer? I mean, look at this. They add like a mixer in Serum. They added like some full MIDI feature here for like clips. So you can actually have it play riffs. They add a ton of stuff here. It's not gonna help my PC. I'm loving what they have done with the visuals too. This seems like aesthetic, but then they have also made it a little more modern. Yeah, it's good. It's amazing. It's probably a lot more to dig into here. I want to know you guys' stuff down below. Make sure to hit like button and subscribe because I am the new here. It's probably more like first look into a Serum 2 than the tutorial. A little bit of demo. Of course, this is not sponsored by them. What is thinking by sponsoring a new channel? Okay, thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time.